Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great, and this is VKTX. So MD Madrigal, I think the symbol is MDGL, had some big news. It's a NASH drug, and big news, and a lot of stocks were moving in sympathy with it. And this is what happened with VKTX. It moved in sympathy with MDGL, had the big pop up here. And this is all in the pre-market. Then it pulled back. It was actually an AI alert a little bit early at 6:52. But I was saying to the guys, people in the trading room, taking out that VWAP right there, that purple line right there, that might get it going. And it did. I mean, in a day in which I saw a lot of choppiness in the market that went from 750 all the way up to 727 before it pulled back. It remains to be seen if it can take out 7 again. It might have another run because, the pre-market highs were way up here at 826. So that's what made it the trade, because it was piggybacking on MDGL. It was an AI alert also. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room, so have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.